holidays. This is Ayana Peterson, the Thrifting Diva, and welcome to my channel. I wanted to do a quick video reviewing the ThredUP Goody Box, which is a new service they're offering on their site. And I purchased my Goody Box about 2 weeks ago, so I wanted to come in and I just received it and wanted to do a review on it. ThredUP is an online thrift or consignment store. If you are a person who does not like to pay full price, but also don't want to be in the thrift stores like me every weekend, then ThredUP is a great alternative to being able to save money and still get some fabulous items. Now they're offering the Goody Boxes, which are really pretty much a surprise subscription box. The box are $20 to start off with, but that $20 can be used towards any of the items you do keep when the box arrives. And they have various different boxes. So during the holiday seasons, they had the holiday box where they'll send you between 10 to 15 items that you can wear to holiday parties, New Year's Eve, and things of that nature. They also have the date night box, which is the box that I requested. They have the workwear box. And I'm sure they have another one, but I'll leave the information in the link below. As I said, I requested my box and it took about, I would say about 10 days to get there, but considering the holidays and that, so I'm sure that was, it probably may come quicker if you order out of the holiday season. I had to put in a profile for the person, whomever is out in the ThredUP world, to curate my box. So I was very specific as to what I want, and I would advise that you're specific as well. For example, I stated that I wanted statement pieces, bright colors, no neutrals, no browns and such like that. I wanted bold patterns because that's what I like. I also stated no jeans. I also put my Pinterest information on there so they could get a visual idea of what are the things I like. I also included my blog information, thriftingdiva.com, so they could also go and get some more visuals as to what I like. So hopefully that's what they use in when they send it to me. So I received my box and I am huge on packaging and I'm going to give them an A+ on packaging. The box came and it was wrapped beautifully and it had some little extras in there which I like. So wrapped with paper, really great idea. And they had some little extra goodies in here. Since it was the holiday time, I guess this was for the holiday season, and it's like a big poster guide to the holidays, a thrifter's guide to the holidays. Quick note, you have 7 days from the time the Goody Box arrives for you to pick your items and then send it back. So for me, I think that 7 days is a little short. I always procrastinate going to the post office. So if you don't want your credit card to be charged at the end of this, believe me, you may want to make sure that 7 days is in your planner so you can take back the items that you don't want. If you don't send it back within 7 days, they assume that you're keeping everything and they charge the credit card on file. And then the other thing that I really found very useful was the very good itemized list of the items you received. It includes your size, the price, and the description, so you know exactly what you have and you can use this in sending it back. Best of all, free return. So there really isn't any excuse for me not to get this back within 7 days. They have the return label. You just use the same box that came in, put the things back in there, and you ship it back out. So free shipping back. Perfect. And then also there was this pamphlet in there. 7 days, chances to change the world. Just some cute quotes. Once again, it's packaging and I really appreciate the thought and effort they put into that. Okay, let's jump into the things that I received. Bottom line up front, I'm probably going to send back about 90% of these things. And not because they're not fabulous, not because they're not great items. It's just that I do have a lot of items in my closet already. And most of these things are very similar to what I already own, or doesn't add any extra appeal to my wardrobe. because I have so many things, I'm at this point of trying to save money even more. And so I try to shop only statement pieces at this time, or something I know I don't have anything at all like it, very similar colors or anything like that. So we'll jump in. This is a green Tailors of Los Angeles blouse, and this was $26.99. Okay, so really pretty blouse, beautiful green. But I have very similar pieces like this already, and it just wasn't something that I wanted to spend $27 on. This dress, I absolutely love the dress. It's a Tibby dress, and this was $37.99. However, it did not fit at the top. The girls weren't fitting in there, so it has to go back. But had it fit, this would have been a dress that I would have kept for sure. This Banana Republic shirt, well, it's like a cami, sequin cami, $13.99. And I'm actually going to keep this because I've been looking for camis such as this for a while. I actually don't own any. $13.99 is a good price. There are no pull-ups or strings or sequins missing. It's in perfect condition. So I am keeping this one. This White House Black Market sequin, well, silver shirt, I would say, $12.99. See if you can see it. And I'm not keeping it because I own very similar things to this already. So this one is going back. But good price on that. If I didn't have something like that, I would have kept it. This is the Love Tree. And so this is a blazer, $15.99. I love the pink. As you can see, they didn't send me so far any type of neutrals. I like the colors they picked. I like the patterns. But this one, I would say that I didn't like the material. This looks really cheap. I mean, it's $15.99, so it is cheap already, but it looked cheap. And so style tip for you is that if you're going to go with a blazer, make sure it looks like quality, because it will definitely bring down the whole aesthetic of your look because of the cheap quality on it. Okay, this Leaf dress is $19.99. And I'm going to keep this because I have been looking for something very similar. It's like a I forgot the name, a swing dress. It's what you call this. I like the material. It looks great quality. It looks very new. Obviously, it does not look worn. So this is one I'm keeping. Love, love, love this colors and pattern. And as I said, they definitely hit the nail on the patterns and colors for me. But when I tried this on, it really didn't do anything for me. And, you know, at this point in time, there's no reason to keep it. This was a Charlie Jade dress, and this dress was $24.99. I really wanted to keep this dress as well, but it did not fit. And this one is Tracy Reese, beautiful brand, beautiful clothing. Love this dress, but it really did not fit that well at the top. Those girls getting in the way. And this was $19.99. So great, great price. One of actually President Obama's wife loves this brand as well. Always wore this a lot, Tracy Reese. But anyway, I digress. This shirt, cabbie shirt, I really liked it, but it was a little too big on me. So you can tell them their prices, your size. And as I mentioned, I included some different brands that I knew that my size was, you know, pretty set with those brands. So this one though, this medium did not fit. It was way too big, but it's a beautiful color. And this one was $21.99 if I didn't say already. Okay, this is a Maggie Ward shirt, and this was the most expensive piece. This one was $38.99. Okay, cute, but you know, not for me. Not $38.99 weren't cute. Okay, it was, maybe if it was a dress, if it was something different going on with it, but I think I might just be paying for the name. Yep, because the price is actually here. It looks like it was a brand new shirt. $143, but you're paying $40. So that's a really, really good price. But for me, it's not something that I really need in my closet, so it's going back. This shirt is a BCBG shirt, and this was $34.99. But once again, nothing special for me. I have some things very, very similar already. This one is going back. Then this white Lord & Taylor, it's almost like a sheer white and black shirt. Very pretty. This was $17.99, so not bad at all on the price. But if I own too many button-up shirts, and this one is not something that I need in my closet, so it's going back as well. And the last one here is a blazer. This one I'm sending back. It fits really well. It's a mystery jacket, $21.99. But for me, I don't know if you can see this, but for me, the blue portion looks a little washed and dated, and so it looks very used. It could be this is how the jacket was made in the first place, and that's just how they look. But I'm not sure if, you know, we are looking at an online used clothing store, if it's just that the clothing themselves was just a little too used. So that's the full box. Would I order from them again? Absolutely. I will try the next time to probably do a different profile. Maybe tell them that I'm looking for more dresses. I didn't get any skirts. I didn't get any accessories. Not sure if they do have those. I'll put that in the link if I find it before I upload this video. But, you know, I would like some accessories as well. I would have rather some accessories, just to, you know, round out the box a little bit. The prices, a little high for some, but based on the name brands and the quality, you can see that there is a big drastic reduction in the price. So, you know, like that Maggie Ward, $143, but you pay $40. That is that's close to over $100 in savings. So that's a good price. If it was something I really wanted, I would pay for it, but it's not something that I really need. And for that price, it's not that glamorous for me. But I will order again, and the next time I probably will try to be even more specific in my profile and let them know that I'm looking for more glam pieces, if they have vintage pieces in there, if they have more dressy pieces. That's what I'm looking for at this point, and ask for accessories as well, and shoes if they have that. Well, I hope this video has helped you make a decision on trying out the ThredUP Goody Boxes. If you have done it before, let me know in the link below what your thoughts were and what your experience was. And hopefully you do give it a try, because as I said, if you're not in the mood of going to the thrift stores and looking through everything, this is a good way of getting your personal thrift shopper to send you some cool surprise items. Please hit the subscribe button to get more videos in your inbox on the Thrifty Diva and what I'm doing, and all about saving money, looking fabulous. Follow me on Instagram, Thrifting Divas, or even check out the Facebook group page. There's over 35,000 other Thrifting Divas in there. Next time, bye.